Now, with me trading, you have to have like an interview and do some job stuff. Probably not like we don't have a whole day, you know.
Somebody watch the mute. You're live.
How bad, bro?
No doubt. It's all good. All right. We're live on school. We're live on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Discord. So we are live. So watch your mics if you can. I appreciate you guys. All right, we live. All right. So let me get to it. All right, bet. Let's look right here. Now it's time to look through, see what everything else is doing. Dollar is coming up. Where's the VIX? Put the VIX at the top. The VIX is bull flagging. Let's look at futures. Futures is bear flagging. $66 February. All right. So, all right, bet. Alexa, play Bully by Ye.
Here's Preacher Man by Ye and Kanye West on Amazon Music.
All right, bet. So, disclaimer, guys. Please know that none of this is financial advice. This is educational purposes only, and unless you have my consent, don't stream this or try to profit from it without me knowing. Just because the people that you're sending it to, don't understand that this is not financial advice. They didn't hear it from me. So, with that being said, let's get into it. So, we looked in the school today. School shows. I put my pre-market watch list for today. Where Google, MUES, Pan W, Nvidia, and Tesla. My favorite, is already for this morning was Tesla and SPX. So let's look at Tesla real quick.
Nvidia and Tesla are all near big pivot points, which is on my page. So if you guys, that should be marked down, so I shouldn't have to tell you guys what the price is. They're both near big pivot points. Like they can both trigger a big sell-off.
So yeah, I really like it. I do like Tesla to the downside, but again, Tesla. I like Tesla to the downside. If it breaks down under this monthly line, this weekly line that I have here, which is at 394. It's already at 399. I already like it, but wait for a trigger, a real trigger under three. Let it get under 394 with the candle close, and we can get some real downside. Then AMD for Breeze. AMD the same. I think AMD looks bearish. Um, I think we can come down to at least 340. That's a $4 drop. Yeah, and then after that, I think we can come down. After that drop, we'll come down to 227, which is a long way down. I really like Tesla to the downside. Google was going crazy in the pre-market. Google is kind of Google with a I see Google downside still too, but if Google wants to keep going, it would have to get above 390, 340, 390, 340. It would need to get above pre-market high. So just mark pre-market high out for Google. Let's see. Alexa, play Yeezus.
Yeezus by Kanye West on Amazon Music.
All right, cool. So Amazon looks bearish, but we have a daily line that's a support. It's been support. So let's see if we can hold that. I'm just clicking through something. Yo, who remembers when I told y'all Bitcoin down to 85,000?
Green, Kiki.
Yo,
Yeah. Remember everybody.
Yo,
I
and
want to do puts when I want to do puts on them, bro.
yo, 85. Now I actually see I say 74.
You see the future?
I see the few, yeah, bro. I've been I see, but I say 80, 85 for sure. That's just my thoughts. Again, I don't know. But I see it coming down to about 80, 74, 639. That's my next line under it. I think we can get a bounce there.
Are you telling me to panic sell mine?
Yeah, no, I'm saying buy more. Never. I don't think you should ever sell Bitcoin if you got some.
I still have 6 left.
I know you do, bro. If anybody knows, like we know you got the best assets in the world.
No, I'm just saying, like,
Nah.
I should get rid of it, man.
They
We
said
know what you're saying.
Pan W, another Pelosi stock. It was on the watch list this morning. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, we got a sell signal out there. Let's see if there's anything. Maybe there's some news about it. Palo Alto posted 2.5 billion in revenue last quarter. Okay, that's what's happening Wednesday. There's earnings Wednesday. That's what's going on. Oh, guys, by the way, Nvidia's earnings is this week, so this is Nvidia week. Also, Netflix had the split on Friday, I think it was. So those prices are kind of 111 for those are probably be affordable contracts now. These contracts would be affordable. I always told you when there's a split, it drops. People buy more during a split. I've been on the other side of that. So I know that it always comes down first. Like I think we'll see under $100 on Netflix. Like I think we'll see under $100 on Netflix, and then they'll push it all the way back up. It'll start looking like, a $200 stock again after some time, but they're gonna keep pushing it down. I don't think it's gonna go up immediately. Even though it's so cheap, like because the dummies are gonna buy it now. Like, oh, it's split, it's cheap, it's affordable, everybody's gonna buy it. That's who I was before I understood that that's not what happens. But again, by all means, if you like it, not financial advice, buy it. But I just don't. I've seen every split I've seen, it just dropped down a lot after the split. So I'm just looking through some stuff. Yo, I love that ASTS is down here again, man. I love it. I feel like I missed out on that entire move. That move up to $100. I was trading it when it was $7 and $4. I'm sorry, I was trading it when it was $4, and now it's at 61, but it hit $102. So I kind of, and I didn't have it then. All right, over the weekend I saw Delta Airlines. I saw some downside on Sound. There's hit the devil mark, guys. Over whoever did the, I did a short trading charting session last night, and I noted that there was a devil mark on
Somebody needs to mute, please. We're on live. Somebody needs to mute.
Thank
Check your microphones. Everybody, please.
Thank you. So we have a Soundhound has a,
Can somebody check who that is,
Yeah,
please, guys?
I will.
Teamwork right now.
thank you.
Please mute
Thank you.
Discord.
Appreciate you guys. So yeah, we have a devil mark on Sound, a devil print mark, whatever you want to call it, but a devil mark on Sound at 1125. We also have one on, there was a few, there was one more I found on Delta Airlines, I believe, DAL. Yeah. Yeah, there's one devil mark all the way down here. So watch out for these drops. This is also, it's a great setup actually, guys. This is a really beautiful setup. Look, it's breaking this rising wedge or just this trend line. There's a trend line that I can draw from right here. It's breaking through it perfectly, and it closed on side. So DAL to the downside puts all the way down to $55. I see that. That's very, very clean. Very clean. So Sound, Delta. I want to take a look again at the futures. Futures still look like they're coming down, which will bring down SPX. I like it. SPX does have a double bottom kind of, but it's gonna follow futures. So maybe, damn, this is so marked up. It's so crazy. Let me just look at SPY, see if it's less marked up. I gotta clear some of these lines, guys. It's getting even crazy for me to look at. All right, so if we can get SPY under 670, SPY under 670, I'll start like loading my puts up. It's starting to do it already. And if we can get it for sure under 669.46, please mark that out. It's already doing it, 669.46. If we can get that to go with a candle close, we'll head down to this 200 EMA. Yeah, that'll happen. Let me change this. Why is this not real purple? It's like, I don't like that. I want it to be purple. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I think we can hit this 200 EMA and keep going. I need to see the VIX real quick. The VIX looks like a beautiful bull flag, guys. If the VIX gets over 21, I need my VIX boys out here, VIX girls, VIX boys, my Vixens and my Victors. I need y'all to keep me, just keep watching this for us. We get above 21.20, we could head towards $23 today. Like, I'm not saying we'll hit 23, but I'm saying we can hit, we can start headed towards that. And if we do that, then SPY is going to have one of those drops that we really like. So far we got SPY puts, in my opinion, NVIDIA puts. We have Tesla puts as well. So looking, I'm going to show you guys the screener real quick before I see what the screener says. It's kind of messy, so, but no signals out just yet. When the market opens, they'll probably drop the signals, but we do have red candles. So it tells us What's dope about this screen, if you look right here, guys, if you see my screen, what the screener does is I put all my favorite tickers here, and it'll tell me if we have red or blue candles on it already. Like, so, sometimes, they have red candles, it's dark red candles, or it's dark blue candles on a particular ticker. It'll put them here for me. So I'll see that. Okay, Spire's already crossed into the downside. So look, so it'll put them here for me, showing me the red or blue candles, so we won't miss it if I keep this up. And then when the signal comes out, it'll also get red candles with the buy signal or sell signal, with the sell signal, obviously. And then it'll tell me if they're overbought or oversold. It'll give me the trend, how many of the trend it's been, tell me the price. So I'm testing this out. Once I get it down packed and I get all the fixings that I need on it, I'll release it. But for now, you guys will watch me use it and see if it's something that you guys want to use or add. But we do have 5 minutes, so let's I'm relaxed this morning. That's funny enough. I'm relaxed on a Monday, but we need to kill Monday, guys. We need to kill. I do see a pretty easy move, in my opinion. I do see the downside for SPY and SPX. Alexander Wayne. All right, so remember 6650s for puts, 6640s for puts, calls 6790s, and the 6800s.
And for the SPY people out there, the 677, or excuse me, the 6790 call is 677. The 6800 is 678 on SPY. For the puts, the 6650 is 663, and the 6640s are 662.
Bro, that means so much to me. Thank you. Really, really, really helpful. Really, really helpful.
My pleasure.
Nah, man. Thank you.
9 a key support level for the SPY.
You guys have Jarvis, man. You gotta use Jarvis, bro.
Let me see. Yeah.
It saves you a lot of time, saves Chris a lot of time. But we will definitely look at it for you guys.
Yeah.
And make sure you guys read Chris's watch and my option watch.
Yeah, definitely get Breeze's watch list too. Like that, you guys missing out on good money there because Breeze should be here. We look at the end of the day. At the end of the day, me and Breeze look back at it like, yo, bro, you had that marked out since last week.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Who sends the indicator over to TradingView? Can I pay my Discord fee? I think it was $300.
Oh, it's Tia. Just text Rowan, ROWAN. She'll get it to you. But right now, use mine on the screen. But if you hit her up right now, she'll get access to you.
Yeah, he's in PLTs. That's up there.
Oh,
amazingly fast. I wanted to thank Rowan because she hooked me up this morning. I got the Jay Breeze plays added because I if you remember last week I said I didn't have it.
Yeah.
I messaged her immediately on there. So thank you so much.
She's the one, bro. She's sick. If it wasn't for her, a lot of shit wouldn't happen. All right, so Alexa, pause. Let's get it going, guys. We have 2 minutes, 1 minute. Alexa, pause. We're gonna get this going. Get your mind ready. Get your mind ready. We got 1 minute and 38 seconds.
This is not financial advice.
By Jack Harlow on shuffle.
66.
Here's Jack Harlow on shuffle.
6640s. 6650. And then 6640. And then the calls. calls.
All right, let's go. Let me get this pulled up.
68.
I'm still behind.
Amazon's taking a dive.
All right, 6,800. Good. Thank you for that. 6790. Wait, what? 6790. Okay. All right, cool. Today we have 12 seconds. 66, 56. All right. Damn it, man. Missed it. I like the puts, the 6640s and the 6650s. I tried to get them. They just took off without me. I like them a lot. But if you got the SPX, that's good too. I'm sorry, you got the SPYs, those are good too. But the puts, this is 650, 66. Damn. Some of these girls are more than engineers, but I think you'd rather disappear. The only where you gonna end up with you probably is the hair and the put you in
So looking at Tesla, it bounced off my level. It's up $5 since then. Didn't. Let's see. Friday and Thursday, I also mentioned that was the buy area that we have to hold. If they lose that, it's down. You're definitely going down. So if you guys had that marked out, you could have took a call there. Tesla snapping.
VIX 2092.
All right. Watching everything very closely.
And you can look at
All right, let's see what Tesla's up to. Tesla's at 405 already. Watch out for it.
I'm probably gonna take 415s. Also have Jarvis. I think I shared Jarvis's reject area to go long for downside. So I really hope you guys looked at my page this morning because I went in on Tesla today. Jarvis had upside and downside swings. Everything's posted on my page.
Yeah, Tesla 450 calls for next week. Or sorry, for 1128 for me. 1128, not next week. Sorry.
I'm gonna take 415. Okay, 450 for next week. It seems
That's
tight.
450 for next week. I just apologize. My voice was, I tried to look at the dates. I got in at 280.
That's a good price. And Nvidia is back over the support level we need to hold.
I got the SPX 6790 calls.
You know, it's funny, Breeze. I tried to get him at like 265, and I put an order on it for just $3 just in case it shot up. And that's why I got Phil was higher. So it's like that's why I got 280 because it shot up.
260.
You got in at 260? Okay, be careful. I got in a little.
No, 160.
Oh, wow. You got in with me. I got in at one. Good job. I got in at 170. You got even a better entry than me. I'm up 58% on those. Don't hold on to these too long. Remember, don't hold on to these too long. Not today. Not today. We're not holding on to these long at all. I'm up 100%.
Let's go.
The 325. Let's see what's happening.
You in Tesla too?
Oh, 105%.
415 for me on Tesla calls. I only got this week. I should have got next week's with Jared Derek, but I didn't.
I went far out of the money though.
Yeah, but that's a good play because we at the main support level to go upwards.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, I'm already up 150% on these calls. Wow. They're 415 a piece. Yo, so wrap for that.
I stopped out.
That's it.
You get stopped out?
Yeah.
Only because I was in. What?
¿Qué necesitas?
Only because I was up big, or I had a decent amount of contract to get trim at the 315.
Okay.
All that kept hitting.
Pues, no puedo ir ahorita.
Let's do it.
Sorry, my average out was actually 314. Not 315. All of them that filled there. Whatever.
What's the VIX looking like, guys? 20?
VIX has fallen. It's
Yeah.
down to like 2040 right now, roughly.
I see that.
But it is falling. It's under the 200 right now on the
The
5. If it holds this.
ES went nuts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I found a really good bit of
Wow.
support there, basically at 67.30.
I should have held on to those SPY calls, huh? Yo, look at that. Man.
But we're up a previous day open on ES. Right around it. It's a key level too, 67.65, right around there. It's where they actually fell earlier this morning in pre-market. That's where the next fall happened. And that's the range we've been battling. ES, and people know it from 60s, like from 50 to 75 on this, but it's really 765 to 775. We've been in that range so often.
And somebody mute, please. AMD went. Keep an eye on AMD for calls. Just turned green.
Thank you, Tesla.
Right. AMD. Where's AMD?
Thank you, VIX.
That's right, my AMD. On my page, I have hold on, where am I at? Give me a second.
Hey, I went down to runners on that 450 play. It went over 325, but I guess it went up that way with the ask was, but I only got 320 on a fill, which is fine. That's what I put my limit order in. But I'm down to runners just to be safe.
I like puts. I like puts again.
On
SPX, I like puts again. The same puts that I called out this morning, they're actually like a fraction of the price. They're like 50% of the price. So take a look at puts. Just watch them. I didn't say get in them yet, but they're currently $1. They're currently $1.75 for the 6640s, and the 6650s are $2.40. I like those a lot.
Girl, I had AMD as my opening drive, and I completely forgot about it. It's on my page, but damn, girl.
The 6640s $1. Go ahead.
If anyone had followed me over from the previous group when we were in the MU leaps, you're at a brand new all-time high, basically.
All right, so we got the 6650s are $2.50 now, guys, and $2 for the 6640s. 6640s and 6650s.
Bro, AMD, bro.
That's 22,000% on the MU leaps. Please take your money.
Holy shit.
On the AMD, if you got in at my entry that I had on my page at 241, over 241, that we need to hold, you should be up over, I'd say at least 75% or 50%. I'm watching 247 we need to hold that area for sure. If one of you guys want to check that, Derek, or if you're not in a play, if you want to check AMD for me. Only if you're not in play.
Yeah, I got you, bro. For sure. I'm not in anything anymore. I didn't call. I told you what to watch. I'm not in anything yet.
Yeah. No, AMD 241 was the entry I put out.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, I don't think anybody caught it, bro.
Yeah. That was beautiful. Look at that candle. It went all the way down to almost the devil's mark. And
somebody mute, please. Today, you guys got to definitely check your mic. We're on live everywhere. Please check your mics.
We're live everywhere. It's all good, though. We're going to kill it today. Guys, I took 150% win out the gate on SPX calls. Somebody took them with me. Somebody took them with me. I don't know who it was. I think it was Cassandra. She's crazy like that.
You know what?
Yo, but they like she got a better entry than me. Like I see when I give those levels in the morning, guys, I give the levels like you know what I do, and I'm sometimes you see it before me. I don't think you guys are, any worse traders than me. I think you guys are just as good. I just can see these levels with everything that I have. I pay for. So if you see the move and the price looks good, test them. What's test them? Try them. Yeah, and call it out and test them.
Paper trade, yeah.
Paper trade them
Got
too for a bit.
eyes in here, and they're not getting used.
Yeah. These 67, these 6650 puts are 215. I don't know. They look like the puts are getting clapped. I don't know. I'm waiting to see what happens.
Oh my God, Tesla, bro.
Tesla, what happened? Tesla went up. Oh wow, Tesla went through. Yeah.
Bro.
Oh now, yeah, 409. Okay, if it gets over 412, if it gets over,
oh my,
it's 410.
Beautiful play.
Yeah, if Tesla,
Mine are up to,
if Tesla,
mine are up almost $100 contract breeze.
Tesla getting blue candles, guys. Tesla's getting blue candles. Tesla can hit 4. Tesla got a strong buy and blue candles. You look at my look at the screener over here.
$100 a contract on mine.
Strong buy. If it closes over this 200, guys, you guys can get in Tesla. It needs to close over 410.92. So 411 with the close, you can get Tesla calls.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Watch it.
Breeze, I had 30 to start, right?
I know, bro. I know you killed it, bro. Like, you rarely play Teslas. I know you snap. I know you're snapping.
Tesla got blue candles and a strong buy.
Oh my
goodness. You got look,
only down to 5 now.
Yo, look at this Breeze. Look at this screen on my screen work. The only thing on here with the strong buy and blue candles, it calls out the blue candles for us. So if we ain't even looking at it, it's straight. Like strong buy, blue candles. That's so dope. I love it. So bro, this is about to be the best thing moving for people who need swings, because you put it on a daily, it'll do the same thing. It'll tell you if it has blue candles on the daily. It'll tell you if it has a strong buy. It'll tell you how many uptrends. It tells you if it's overbought or oversold, and it'll give you an arrow, give you the price and the ticker, and you can put up to 40 tickers, bro. 40 tickers in there.
Can you see what you're looking at?
Sorry?
Your screen has a Google search on there.
Oh, Google damn. I'm sorry. Let me see. Google chart? Really? What? So which one is that one then? What screen?
No, it's just a Google search page.
Oh, my Google search page. Oh shit. Guys, you guys are looking at that. Okay, my bad, guys. Let me share a different screen for you guys then.
Bro,
okay.
Let's
go.
Hang on. Got look at that candle.
Yo, look, it's called. I gotta show you guys.
Breeze. Oh my gosh.
Yo, it's going crazy.
This Breeze watch morning, bro.
Yo, oh man, how do I change this? Discord.
Oh, we over the buy signal, the stop loss, and the entry for puts. He took out all that, bro. He's like, puts, nah.
Share screen. Change
the stop loss for Tesla is at.
Stream.
Let me see. It's at 403. Yep. So you had plenty of time to get in.
Wow. What?
I got in at. Yeah, the buy area I gave you guys was around 390, 380. So I'm gonna gave that to you guys Friday.
Show you guys.
And Thursday.
I'm gonna just go here.
I think Derek mentioned it Wednesday.
What I mentioned was?
You mentioned like the buy area to go along on Tesla like a few days ago.
All right.
Which was right there at my level and Jarvis's level.
So I'm gonna show you guys Tesla. So Tesla screener, right? So I'll put the screener up, right? So Tesla, the Tesla closed over. All right. So look, so when we get Google has blue candles, Tesla has a strong buy in blue candles. Wherever you see the strong buy, so you don't just go by the blue candles. You wait till it says strong buy, and it has a strong buy, blue candles. We go to Tesla. What does it have? Strong buy, blue candles. So even if you didn't have Jarvis on, we didn't have Jarvis on, right? Turn Jarvis off. Even if you don't have Jarvis on, it's going to show you all the tickers that have everything. So you wait for you see this, see the colored candles, see that this is pointing up, and you get in. Fucking
Hey, ES is turning blue, by the way, real quick.
Oh shit, let's go.
Hey, Breeze, I trimmed 2 more there, so I'm down to 3 just so anyone else is following me.
Google-
Next week's 450.
Google was
Tesla,
on
I
our
got $4 or 10 of those.
Google was on our chart this morning, guys. Google.
And real quick, just so everyone knows, I can't go red on this trade, even if these go to 0. So I'm going to set a stop below my entry in case it ever comes back. And I'm going to set stops above this to get out. So at $5, it's going to trim 1. If it goes to 6, it's going to trim another. If it goes to 10, it's going to trim the last one.
I want Tesla over 415. Keep going. Go ahead.
I'm taking a break. I'll be right back.
All right. We're at
All right,
414
so
now.
you guys, so all you gotta do is watch out for these blue candles, and then and watch out for the strong buy here. When I'm just trying to test out this screener. This shit is gonna be dope. You put your favorite ticker in here. You can put up to 40, whichever tickers you like, and it'll tell you there's no Jarvis on here, guys. Just so you can see, there's only the Jarvis, only a Jarvis screener. So
my account's at 60%, bro.
Bro, what? That's so dope.
Tesla and AMD, bro.
You catching the 420s or the 415 calls?
Bro, come on, bro. I took 415s out. Not open.
We in 415, but it's up
Let me
really
see,
high.
hold on. Let me double check because I want to get people yelling at me again. I took
We in 415, Breeze, but it's up
yeah,
at the
that's
high
what we
today
got.
right now.
And then Derek took 450s for next week, but you're asking about now, right? We are way past the entries that we got in, bro. Yeah, way past. That's why I said now I want Tesla over 417. Or is it 415?
XPX is crossing 6750, guys. 66. SPX is going nuts. We had we had those. We had those at $1.25. They're now $4.20. I'm tight. I made 150% first play, so I'm not mad. But
gosh, bro, I'm 700 for the day.
Good job, bro. Look at
Great job,
Tesla.
AMD's at 10% if you got an AMD.
The 450s I got in for next week's Teslas are almost $200 a contract.
Bro, I already know I should have had those, but I had already pulled the trigger.
Yo, what a play, guys.
I was supposed to grab next week too because we got in so low for the move up.
I know, man. That was the highest open interest too. I looked at that.
Yeah. Damn.
Good.
Tesla looks amazing.
I took a Tesla call.
Excellent.
When?
I only was limited in my powder or whatever, but I got in a Tesla 442.50 call for next week, I think.
Nice.
No, it was this week. It was this week.
Okay.
I got in at 200 and got out. I just got out because it's just, not on purpose. I kept bumping it up, but it just was moving so fast. I couldn't bump it up quick enough. So I got out at 255. I got in at 2.
Nice. Yo, what? 25%?
When you got in?
Tesla was at 410, maybe 412, something like that. Like it was just running so hard. I got a little bit on that little bit of a dip. Because I was just trusting the blue candles, and I got in, and I wanted to keep it running, but it just kept moving up so fast I couldn't bump up my exit.
Nope, you're good. You're good. You did great.
But I locked in the profits. So
lock in profits. Move to the next trade, bro. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Good job, bro.
My level for that to break out was 406.32. By the way, Breeze. Once that happened, I was all good to know that this thing was going to keep going.
Let's see what I got.
Great morning, great Monday, great morning, great everything so far. We had
the entry. It had to break
two good plays. 2 good plays out the gate.
Bro, I missed
SPX calls and 3 because Breeze called Tesla and AMD, and I called SPX.
And I called a Tesla as well for next week. And you could have got in almost the same because it came back down to almost my entry. Like I said, so 280 was my entry. You could have got it for about 285.
SPX.
That's where it came back out.
SPX 6790 calls, we got in at $1.50. They're currently $4.30. I got out at 380, so I'm cool. But they're 415 right now.
I'm up over 200 a contract on mine, and I have time.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you, Cassandra. Cassandra gave me some dope information. The market may be bullish. Cassandra, can I say what you told me or what? I just want to make sure.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so she said some federal workers should be paid by next week. So next week, so federal workers being paid next week, obviously that should make the market look bullish, just because it looks like we're getting back to normalcy. So go ahead, Breeze.
Jarvis raised Tesla's entry to 408, and then a level I had is 415 that I want Tesla to hold, and Jarvis also has, I think, 415 and some change, like 20 cents for his next move up. So I don't know. Let me see if I have the next level I have after that.
Yo, SPX is
I have
going
419. Right.
SPX is going crazy.
I mean, we can breathe.
Cool. Were you able to get next week's contracts too? I only got this week, so don't.
No, I just got this week. I done trimmed some though.
That's good. I'm down to runners for next week just to be safe.
Bro, that's crazy. Yeah, next week's gonna go stupid.
I got I guess possibility for the day up to, I guess that trend would be good. Break that trend 425, 89, 90. That'd be awesome.
Careful on anything calls on ES and I'm sorry, SPY. Just careful. They just got a rejection, but still looks bullish, but just got a rejection. So looks like the puts are slowly creeping back. I'm just watching the same contract we have from this morning, but now ES is pushing back again. So who knows? And we have the puts.
I'll look to go long on IWM as well, but it's got to break 237, not 95 for the hold.
Come on, Tesla, get up there, bro.
I'd probably take IWM for Wednesday, 240s if that happened. So that'd probably take. Just have some time. Just so y'all know. In case
if you're not anything, I know Chris is in something.
I have a Tesla, but it's on autopilot right now.
I think that's.
Can you find like a strong support on Meta?
Yeah, Meta. Oh, yeah, the one I don't.
At a demand zone anywhere.
Yeah, hang on, I'll find something.
What is that? Costco. Strong sell on Costco. Strong buy on a potential buy on QQQ. We got a potential buy on QQQ. You don't have any candles on it yet, but the Tesla candles have went away. The blue candles have went away, but it doesn't mean they can't come back. You have a strong sell on cost.
Breeze on a daily. I mean, you're not probably going to want to hear this unless you're shorting shorting Meta, but 486.17.
That's fine.
On a little closer time frame, 591.37.
Okay.
Is it really? That's not even the best one though. The best one really is that low. I mean, I'm not joking.
Yeah, I had someone in the forest, something marked. I remember. So
yeah, man. That's the first big one is 4. I mean, there is a bigger 4-hour spot right before you reach there, which is 534, kind of 40ish, 38, and then 569.13 is a really light one. So you've got like 3 little stops along the way. But yeah, it looks like 486. Just call it 46.20ish if you want 480. Right there. Wow.
Thanks. What's AMD doing?
On the 15, you've got a 3-day demand, and it's a pretty decent level of money at 596 though. So I think if it lost 596, you would probably see that bigger drop.
AMD's tapping 248 right now. So if you got an AMD, you're up.
Let me remind anyone that is in MU Leaps with me. Now is your day to take your money. I do believe they hit 22,000% from our original entry back early in the year. Just saying. I think you're good enough to get out if you want. I mean, you can hold it if you want, but I think 22,000% is good.
We got a hard rejection at 67.50. Careful, it could get through it, but 66.50 got a pretty good rejection. Those
2,200%. I don't know why I said 22,000. 2,200%. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I definitely heard 22,000%. I said, "What the fuck?"
No, I did say that. I'm like looking at it like I'm an idiot. I'm just sticking everything down, but it's 2,200%. I apologize. I mean, it's still good. You're still over 10,000 a contract right now. I'm just saying.
Yo, so if we might get a big drop on SPY. Careful. I don't know what Tesla's up to. So you got your move. Let's play one for the day.
You've had 3 plays for the day.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I mean, session one for the day. Session one for the day. We killed it. Everybody, we had 4 plays this morning and they all went crazy. All of them. Everything went crazy.
And for anyone watching mine real quick, because I know I'm going to hop into PLT in a second, but here's what I want to tell you. Have ES. If you don't have ES pulled up, I know you might be delayed if you don't have a futures account. You can look back and see 67.75. There's your rejection right here. You can see earlier in the morning pre-market. There it is again, that same level. There it is. I would have these 3 levels marked out clear. 67.50, 67.65, and 67.75. Those levels have been big. They were big all of last week when we were ending it, when it was in this little range, everything here. It's been in there overnight a lot. Those are 3 very big levels. And then obviously a pre-market high and pre-market low. Break below pre-market low, more than likely going to drop more. Break and hold and retest, break above, and that can go for your SPY play or your SPX. So if you're looking at something, look at the futures of this. Very key levels, and then play SPY maybe a day or 2 out, give yourself some time. SPX, y'all know the drill. Stay as close to the money as you can afford.
Yeah, that's exactly it. Close to the money as you could afford.
In this market, as close to the money as you can afford. If it's too far out and you're trying to be super cheap, you might get wrecked. So
go to SPY.
Careful.
Go to Spizzle. Oh man,
that's why there's a reason I played Tesla today, not SPX.
It looks like this fall is coming. It looks like this fall is inevitable.
We're breaking 67.65 right now.
67, the 66.50 puts are $1.50, guys. I don't know. I'll tell you. I'm not sure yet. They're getting green candles though, so I wouldn't just jump into those, but they are $1.50. They're looking good. The $1.70 already, man. Wow, there they go. I like them. Damn. $1.80. The 66.50 puts. That $2. Holy shit, they're flying. I knew this fall. I told you this fall was coming. $2 already. These 66.50 puts are about to go crazy.
Hey, Chris, I took those based off of you on ES for 5 contracts for a quick 100.
Good job, bro. More than fucking $30. I love it.
Yo, some money's better than no money.
Nah, man. Trust me. I rock with you, bro. You know I'm joking around. I just want you to, I just want you to
I know that.
flourish. I just want you to flourish, bro.
Oh, absolutely. Hey, Derek, if you look at my 250K accounts, it'd be pretty happy for me.
All right, I'll go look at it a second.
All right, I'm cutting Tesla.
Oh, there they go. Oh my God. I told y'all. Look at that shit. Damn.
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 Breaks that level.
Yo, I fucking told y'all, man.
Now it's going down to 67.50, so be careful right here in case of a bounce. Just like, even if it's just a small temporary one.
I am Gucci for the day, bro.
I told you, bro.
Me too.
Bro.
Thanks, Bree.
Chris, what do you say? What's it? Racked up what?
Racked up shorty. Racked up shorty.
Oh, I know Derek plays some music, but hold on. I got an extra phone for a little bit. Let me play some.
They said Chris said you don't like my music.
Playing Rubber Band Banks by Young Drum.
Racked up shorty. Yo, watch it, guys. We made these puts are not
bangs. Going, Tokyo diamond.
Yo, I don't know what's happening, guys. There's doji happening, so be careful. Be careful.
That's it. Remember, I told you that 67.50 on ES, it just came back down to 67.51, and that's where it bounced. So right above it. So I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm watching. Yes, I think it's gonna fall through here. I personally think it's gonna fall. I think it's gonna fall through here. We'll see though. It's low. It's I like it. I like the puts. Looking at ES, I like the puts. We get on the previous day close with the candle close. We'll be okay. No, but it's not doing it. So careful, guys. I like the puts though.
Yeah.
Anybody in puts? Anybody in puts? No. Okay. Cool. All right.
Nah, I got on my phone.
All right. Cool. Oh, good.
Are you guys marking it down in the chat room?
So, Chris, it's battling previous session close. It's battling,
I see it.
One on the
you cut people. They don't mark it down.
Yeah.
Cut, please.
And you got top of open. I mean, just broken opening print, then all that. So it's just like a tough level.
Tough spot. Yeah, but look at I like the rounded top. This could really fall hard right here. If it falls, it's gonna fall hard. If it falls, it's gonna fall hard. Like it's gonna be a nice fall. If it falls. If it falls, it's
Goldman
falling.
Sachs is hoping this gets down to like 665, and they are a massive buyer at 66, like of stuff around SPY at 665.
Okay, thank you. That's helpful to know that it's not going to be. It's going to probably be bought up, but I still like. I like the puts for the day. I always like. I told you I like put. I took calls in the morning, and I got 100. I almost went up to 200%, but I got to 150. And took my money, which was just happened just so fast. And now I'm looking at the puts. Puts are playing out. They called them at 180. They're now 222, my favorite number. So these 6750s, 6650s.
I just closed below all those EMAs and
Beautiful.
on the last one.
There goes the puts are playing out. There they go. Puts are going crazy now. 230 a contract. I called them at 180. 66.
Yes, just got down to 67.50 right there.
60. Oh man, there goes. There's the puts. They're playing out. Oh, there they go. 250. I called these. I said this drop was going to be crazy, and the drop is crazy already. Oh man, there it goes. There's that drop. Woo! There we go. 265. $100 a contract already. Oh man, the 66.50. Oh, they came back to 245. This is if this fall, when this falls, it's going to be major. This fall is going to be major. Oh, there they go. They're falling. 260 a contract. Nobody took this with me.
I'm sure he is.
Okay, cool. Oh, you with me? There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm in at 195 and then 278, 280. Yo,
I'm gonna check the chat room to see.
I'm probably gonna. I'm telling you guys right now. I'm probably gonna do a Jay Breeze today. I'm probably gonna hold these. Today. There they go. I'm probably gonna Jay Breeze these. And my $3 a contract. Let's go. I'm probably gonna hold.
All of them.
I'm probably holding these.
All of them.
Not all, yo, Breeze. I'm probably holding these.
Yeah,
There they go. I fucking told y'all I'm nice. Yo, look at this. I fucking told y'all. This is it. This is the one. These puts, I got paid on puts and calls today within the first session.
Excuse me, Chris.
Yes, ma'am.
The VIX is at 20.90.
Oh, we're about to. Oh, come on, baby. VIX is gonna go crazy, guys. Watch the VIX. The VIX about to go 2090. We need 21. We need the VIX to hit up 22. We need the VIX to go to 22. Yo, these candles are getting darker. They're getting darker. There they go. Come on, we need them to get down. They get darker. There we go. We need these candles to get darker. Come on. I'm content. I'm happy. I'm gonna hold these for a little bit. I'm up what percentage?
Just make sure you don't lose.
Oh no, yeah, I'm up. I was up 50%. Now I'm up 41%. I think these gonna go crazy.
You can always get back in, bro.
Yeah. I like these. All right, watch it. I'm watching them. All right, 25%. I'm not gonna let it go below. All right, that's cool. I like it. I still like it. You can't get psyched out by a couple percent. You can't get psyched out. All right, watch it now. They're getting back green. They're getting back green. ES is getting back green. Watch it. All right, do not lose. All right,
yeah,
cut it. Listen. You break even. Cut it. If you're in, just till you break even. Cut it. Do not take a loss. There's no point. Good job.
Y'all were up 50-60%.
Yeah. That was a good place to cut. At 50-60%. I still think puts are still gonna play out, but there's no point in risking it for what? There they come back down. Look at it. Watch it. I think they're still. I think the puts are still playing out. I just don't know. I just don't want to risk any loss.
It's just
Watch your mic. Watch your mic. Watch your mic. Watch your mic. Thank you. Appreciate you, bro. I think let's see what the exposure looks like. The exposure still looks good to the downside. Just doesn't make any sense taking a loss on a play that was green. I ended up taking a 17% win, or I went up to 50%. So I'm not mad, but I definitely would have liked 50% as opposed to like 20. But it's all good. I may just enter again. I can always enter again, just like Derek said. You can always enter again once the fall is actually once it's set up.
That 67.30 pull is crazy today. To the downside, 67.30 pull is crazy. Here's the only problem at 67. They're selling a lot of 67.35 puts. So they're selling those puts. That means they're a little bullish right there. That's the market makers are. The pull is to 67.30. However, they are selling a lot of puts. So they need to.
Once we get through this 67.30, it is gonna flush. If it gets there, it is. If it get through the 67.30, guys, it's gonna flush. We could see 6650. We could see 6650.
Yeah, I see that pull down there. It's got so many other levels through it. But yeah,
it has a lot to break.
Be psychological.
It has to break through all of that.
6650 is the largest pull after this.
6650.
What's crazy is they somehow have 6800 as a large pull after that. Like what?
Yeah. Before that, it's 67, 8.
Bro, they have to buy with it under 6650 all the way down to 6590. The fall of falls, bro.
Yeah, that was fun. That was fun. That was fun. I caught 2 plays. I won for 150, another one for almost 20%.
Chris, don't forget to break in 16 minutes.
Yeah, I'm definitely out. It's a hard stop. It's a hard stop at 10:30. Not even a soft one. It's a hard stop. This could go crazy. These puts could be really like OD today. I don't believe I caught both calls and puts this early. Again, I wish I would have taken more of those puts. I would have gotten out of 50%. That would have been great, but whatever. I didn't lose. 2 for 2. Jay Breeze is 2 for 2. Derek 1 for 1. So 5 plays.
Technically 2 for 2. I was short ES too, but 1,
Options. Everybody, we have 5 plays. We're 5 for 5 on options today. I don't think anybody in this group plays well in PLT. The guys who on PLT are in here. Yeah, they play futures, but nobody else.
Yeah, most of them already hit $700 to $1,000 already. They're done, I think.
Nice, good job.
And futures.
Yeah, these puts are gonna play out, guys. These puts are gonna play out. Watch. There's just a hanging man on SPX at the top of an uptrend. We're gonna get a big downside today. I'm telling y'all. Watch. I'm seeing this hanging man. Every time I see this shit, it ends up happening, and I'm like, damn, there it was. There it was. That was quick. $15 more minutes until we're done with session A. Yeah, Vaughn, I do. Yeah, Vaughn, they came through. That it's happening right now. Yeah. My first trade is 33 cents. Yeah, I'm up 40 cents. So yeah, it's coming through. I'm in my first trade. It's happening. Good job, Vaughn. There's that drop I was telling y'all about. I know a lot of y'all didn't get out. So I'm not even I just know y'all. So especially when it just started. I know y'all didn't get out. We get through this level right here, 67.30, it's gonna fall for a bit. If we don't, then we have another pull up to the top. 67.80 is the next highest pull for the call side. But right now, it looks like the pull to the downside is the biggest. But we'll see. We're getting darker red candles. Yeah, we're going to get the fall because look, without Jarvis, you couldn't tell what's happening because it looks like it's going up, but we got orange candles right here. So this fall is happening. Jarvis is so dope, man. Every day, look at this. I'm telling you, look, now it's getting red candles on the way up is getting red candles. So that was a bull trap. Look what just happened. Excellent job. Excellent. Wow, that was a bull trap. Got him. Got him. But we could tell. But look how ugly we could tell because we got Jarvis. We got them orange candles. They revealed it. Wow. Good job. Big red candles. There we go. We're going to get that. It's going to be a big drop. There we go. Big drop. Big drip. Hey, look at it. Hey, wow. We back up, guys. Back up. %. Oh, there it's gone. It's gone now. Now I know it's gone. Oh, wow. Big drop. Come on, let's go.
You guys check your mics, please. I think it's somebody named Jet Trade or something.
Come on, fall.
669 puts, 95, 127.
How much you made?
About 30 a coin.
Oh, that's dope, bro. Excellent. Oh, watch it. This got a crazy bounce. That was a crazy bounce. But I still feel like it's coming down. But you see it fighting. I still feel it's coming down hard. But we'll see. I still feel it's coming down hard. We got that. Why am I looking at the freaking? Yeah, I like this downside a lot. I like the downside a lot. There we go. Back to the downside. It's fighting. I think we could see 6,700 today, guys. Easily. We could see 6,700 today. If we hit 6,700, what do these do? 6,700. These turn into 595 a contract. And okay, that's cool. I love it. Put me up a nice amount today. Yeah, look at that drop. I'm telling you, this drop is inevitable, man. 93% strong sell. We don't have red candles yet. We still just have orange candles. Everything else is red. What is the VIX doing? The VIX is at $20.83. We need the VIX to be at $22. I'm seeing the VIX at $22. $22. We have 8 minutes left in this trading session. And session 2. Yeah, these it's trying to hold today, man. They're trying to hold it in the middle.
Yeah, they're trying to make you stay.
Trying to make you stay, but it's all good. I'm not staying. I'll literally just get off the call and just watch my phone. I'm not gonna be trading. I'm not. I already know what's gonna happen.
This is day 2. I just hit 30% on my account.
Done today.
Good job, man. Who was that? Was that Bright Future? Nick. Yo, Nick, son. That's what I'm talking about, Nick. Oh man, that makes me feel good, bro.
The gains is coming, bro.
Yo, the gains is because you know what it is. You're understanding our method over here. They're not expensive contracts. We have a lot of reasons like why we're in it. We're not just randomly saying we're in a play and not really in the play. Like, we're living and dying on the mountain with you, bro. Like, big difference. I just really want you to win, man. Like, especially all the shit that you just went through, man. You need a win. You deserve it. Good dude. Good.
Wait, Is that who I think it is?
Yeah, that is who you think it is, bro.
Welcome.
Yeah, man.
Crush.
Yeah,
Get that money back.
He got to get it all back, bro. Watch these puts. They're gonna play out, guys, but they're really trying to pin it right here. Listen, I could be wrong. Good job, Kiki. Excellent, Kiki. Kiki is a winner. That's all it is. Kiki sends me wins all day.
Yeah, she took the Tesla and probably your SPX.
Yeah, SPX was the SPX was a crazy banger, son. Like that one this morning. And what I did is I didn't get as hype as I usually got. I just knew it was gonna win. It just went 100 and it almost went 200% like out the gate, bro.
I'm mad about AMD though.
You didn't catch it, right? You
you
called it though.
She did the playing though.
As long as you called it,
yeah,
you can only catch. Yo, bro, you ain't.
She was my opening drive. I would have had time to get both. But, oh well, I got Tesla, so I'm happy.
I'm saying here comes 420 on Tesla here. In about...
Shut up. I'm just kidding, bro. What's it at right now?
414.25 ish.
Yeah, shooting.
Just needs the whole. Needs to keep using 411.30 ish.
Here they go. Here these puts come, guys. These puts are they are trying to not let these die. Let SPX die, but I saw it from earlier that SPX is gonna die today, bro. SPX could really get down here. It could really get down here. We could see some real downside, like some real shit today, like real shit. We could see 6670. We can see 6700. We can see 6650. There's a lot of reasons why this thing can come down. Let me see a 4-hour chart. Do we have any? I don't think we have any of those. My best friends. No, we don't got them. We don't have any, but it's okay. We don't need those to get down. The devil prince.
Hey, yeah, I just looked it up and I got confirmation from people that are in the higher ups. Yeah, SPY could touch like where is it? 66, where they say. I want to make sure my level's right with theirs. Close enough. 663. I have 66291, but they said 663. You will see a massive buy at 663 if it hits that. A massive buy.
Okay, I'll watch that.
It'll be dark. You won't see it on the live trade, so it's gonna go through and then you all of a sudden pop it. But we're talking billions upon billions.
All right, so we're not going. So keep that, guys. That's my. If you're looking at my screen,
that's really far down though.
If you're looking at my screen, guys, what that is this this orange line that I drew out 663, and my daily line has a daily line, and I think it'll stop even before that, to be honest. But there's a, if you look at this demand, it's a 9-day demand zone. That's a 9-day demand zone on Jarvis, just so you know.
Yeah, the change of character on that is around 66118, so you're really good on that too on the 4 hours. So, but 663 is yeah.
It could push to that easily. It could push because that is the bear flag breakdown, and it'll be under the 200 EMA. That'll be like a formation that can actually push through new lows. Like that formation can really get there.
The daily has it going down. If it were to lose that, that's a 4 hour. So if the daily's got 650, 650, and then all the way down to 652.87.
Yeah, that's nasty work.
That's a 38 days of demands. Yeah, I mean, you got room. I don't know if it all happens obviously in one day, but this week. And then you'll just see them buy it up, and then they're going to throw everyone that grabbed in late. Or if you got puts late, that's why you can take sometimes puts or calls out a couple days on SPY and let your play in as you trim if it does something. But
I'll tell you one thing.
Back for 6750. I'm telling you,
if we get under on this for 1 hour, if we happen to get under 671, 670 right here, 669. If we get under 669, bro, we're gonna have a massive drop. That's gonna be a quick drop down to that 665 level. I'm looking at this big gap right here. It's gonna be tough, but if we get there, it's gonna be massive. But they're trying to hold it up. Honestly, I don't think they're going to, but they're trying to hold it up. They're trying. I think we may get some dollar menus. All right, guys, it's 10:30. I'm gonna take a break just because everybody who was in anything, everybody won. If you guys are still in a play, if you're down, I'm holding mine. But I'm not saying for you to do the same. But we got some bangers today. I have not lost.
Look at that bounce off AMD on my level.
I have not lost. I've not lost a play today.
Make sure you guys mark these levels down, man.
I have not lost a play today. Nobody in this group should be down. Nobody should be. There was no losing plays at all today. So if you're down today, that's gotta be the way you entered or the way you exited, or you held too long. So that's cool but you're able to figure out what it is, because if it was us, I would be like, all right, we had a losing play. But if you're losing right now, then you just have to talk to me and say, hey, Chris, yeah, I was in that play and I didn't get out when you said get out. And then we'll just revisit that. And you can just DM me or hit me and we'll go through some stuff together. But yeah, no losing plays today. So it should be easy for you to figure out. And the money, your money is not gone. It's right here in the market. You just have to get it back with some other money. That's it. So you're gonna have to invest to get your money back. Send some new warriors to go pick up your fallen comrades. That's it. All right, guys. I'll see you in a bit. I'll be back at 12, and I'll find some dollar menus. I think there's gonna be dollar menus today. That's what it's looking like. Some McDoubles or some McChickens.
Head over to PLT for anyone still wants to live trade and everything. We'll see what we got.
All right. Later, guys.
Black Future, you got to meet, bro. Black Future, come